The great thing about UTVs is that they can be built for so many different uses. Trails, high speed, working on the farm. This brand new 2026 Polaris Ranger XD 1500 is built specifically to help stock your fridge after hunting season. Fueled UTV is your one-stop shop for all the parts that we're about to show on this Ranger. And hey, if you want to come to the great Pacific Northwest, we'll install it for you too. Let's do a full build breakdown on this beast, go over all the awesome upgrades, especially some really cool additions from ThumperFab. Let's get into it. Let's start by introducing the machine and some very cool OEM accessories. The Ranger XD 1500 Northstar is a very capable machine right from the factory. A 110 horsepower 1500 cc engine and steel drive transmission, 3,500 pounds of towing and 1,500 pounds of payload in the bed. The front is already set up for adventure with a front winch with synthetic rope and 6,000 pound capacity. It has creature comforts including factory installed heat and AC, heated front seats, JBL audio, and a 7-inch screen with ride command. And the owners spec'd this out at the dealership with a bunch of really cool OEM accessories, including the Rhino Rack roof rack, Polaris upper front bumper and front hood storage rack, and the Polaris rear headache rack. And I gotta say, especially for a hunting rig, you cannot go wrong with the Polaris Pursuit Camo. Let's talk about wheels and tires. So the Ranger comes with 30-inch Kenda tires, which are decent, but leave much to be desired. These Valor Off-Road Alpha 32-inch tires are a huge upgrade. These are 8-ply radials, have an aggressive contact patch with 20mm treads. The rugged compound resists punctures, cuts, and tears, and they're manufactured in the USA. System 3 Off-Road SB6 beadlocks are an excellent choice paired with these tires. 32-inch tires on a hunting rig is an excellent choice, but if you're curious about what it would take to go to 35s, check the description to a link to another Ranger build video we did a couple years ago where we did that. It's pretty involved, just so you know. So if you were to build a Ranger for yourself, would you go with 32s, 35s, or would you just stick with 30s? Let us know in the comments. We've got a ton of awesome upgrades that take this hunting rig to the next level, especially from ThumperFab. Let's start by talking about their Nerf rails that protect the side of the Ranger. These are constructed of American-made steel to handle the toughest trails, and they provide an easy way to reach gear stored on your roof rack. Here on the inside, we have the ThumperFab lead dispenser mount. YouTube doesn't like certain words, my apologies. Anyway, you can securely mount 2 lead dispensers here, keeping them easy to reach, but also maximizing cabin space. Back on the outside, we have the ThumperFab fender flare kit. These offer superior protection and enhanced style. They're constructed of aluminum to withstand harsh environments. These robust flares are designed to shield your vehicle from mud, rock chips, and debris. My personal favorite upgrade we have from ThumperFab on this machine is the awesome rear winch bumper. It's engineered for both durability and functionality, made in the USA. Mounted here in the center is one of our favorite UTV winch options, the Warn Axon 35S. It's assembled in the USA, is IP68 water and dustproof, and has a 50-foot, 3/16-inch Spidura synthetic winch rope. You know, the cool thing about this Ranger is that it's the first UTV that we've done a build breakdown video about that's specifically to be a hunting rig. Let us know if you agree with these upgrades or if you do things differently. And we are very close to 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube, so if you like our videos, hit subscribe. Turning our attention to the roof rack, we did some pretty cool custom touches to make the lighting up there exactly what the owner wanted. These lights are an Amazon special that are popular that we were asked to install. We've got a 52-inch light bar up front that we created custom brackets for in-house. Then we also wired up light bars on the side and 2 pod lights in the rear. To add even more space to store gear, we installed 2 Kolpin UTV diamond plate bedside saddle boxes. It has a gas shock assisted, easy to open lid. The lid is also gasketed, keeping your gear dry and clean. And to make sure nothing walks away, it's also lockable. Both of these are a great place to store tools, recovery equipment, or whatever gear you always want to have on hand. If you guys are looking to build a machine like this and you want to come to the great Pacific Northwest, give our shop a call, 509-406-7192. Or if you're needing parts, our website is your one-stop shop. Give our team of experts a call for advice, recommendations, or if you're researching what fits on your machine. Until next time, I'm Jason with Fueled UTV, and we'll see you out on the trail.